You're listening to Here with the Magic. Welcome to Soundscapes.
Since its silver screen debut at Disney's Hollywood Studios in 1991, Muppet Vision 3D has brought Jim Henson's classic and zany characters to life in a side-splitting comedy of errors, filled with whimsy, nostalgia, and, of course, a few delightfully cheap 3D tricks. More than 30 years later, the show still captures the heart of Disney fans of all ages, because, as Walt Disney once noted, laughter is timeless. The camaraderie, hilarity, and heartwarming hijinks of Kermit, Miss Piggy, Fozzie Bear, and the entire gang awaken that part of ourselves that often gets lost with age, our childlike capacity for pure joy. From an orchestra of penguins to a remote-controlled banana cream pie, and the sarcastic asides of Statler and Waldorf, the Muppets have pulled out all the stops to put on a truly unforgettable show. So as the curtains prepare to rise, grab a pair of 3D glasses, settle into your seat, and get ready to be immersed in the laughter and whimsy that await you at this one-of-a-kind Muppet extravaganza. And now, to borrow a phrase from our friends, it's time to get things started on the most sensational, inspirational, celebrational, Muppetational. You get the idea. Let's play the music and light the lights for Muppet Vision 3D.
Where's Chuck? Chuck! Yo, Chuck! Chuck, come here. Okay, boys. Chuck, there's a sign. There's a rope. Pull the rope. Pull the rope, Chuck. Okay, check it. Okay, here we go. Up, pull. Up. Hey, yeah, pull up. Down. Yeah, good. Chuck. Up, Chuck. Okay, good. Yeah, okay, good, Chuck. Okay, here we go. Come on.
Thanks, boys.
Let me see that. Chuck. No. First thing, over here. Yeah. Okay, here. Okay, Roy, Rick. Yeah, boss. Come here. Okay. Now, there's this.
What's it?
Chuck. Chuck. Over here. Come here, Chuck. Okay, Chuck.
Yeah, boy.
Another side. Another rope. Go, rope. Okay, here we go. Okay, ready? Pull. Chuck. Down. No, come on, up. Up. Good, Chuck.
Thanks, boys.
Okay, right, get over there. Okay, Chuck. On the center rope.
Oh, right.
Okay, here we go. Ready? Okay, that's Jim Henson's Muppet Vision 3D. Yeah, good. Yeah. Yeah, good, Chuck.
Thanks, boys.
Yeah.
Video display test. Lose the background. Thank you. Scooter from Mars. That'll do it. Hey guys! Help! Thanks, guys. Check. Haven't I been here before? Is that weird or what? Hey, Tom. Yeah, over there. How technical. Thanks.
Okay, penguins, into the theater. We have to rehearse. Okay. You too, guys. Yeah. Orchestra rehearsal. Yeah. Okay, inside, guys. Okay. Hey, Eugene. Wait a second. We need you, okay? Into the theater. Orchestra rehearsal, Eugene. What? Okay, Elmer, come on now. Come on, inside. Okay, Elmer. Okay, both you guys in. Come on, guys. I need you to... Hey, hold it. You're not a penguin, you're a chicken. I told you chickens to stay on the other side of the road. Okay, why did this chicken cross the road? Ah, that's funny. Hey, penguins, I got a joke. Why did the chicken cross the road?
Ladies and gentlemen, could I have your attention, please? Excuse me,
Well, you gotta project from the diaphragm.
Thank you, Rizzo. Ladies and gentlemen, if you could step as far forward and close together as you can.
Yeah. Real close. You see, we're doing research on deodorant strength.
Rizzo, you're disgusting.
It's a gift.
Well, we're ready to start Muppet Vision 3D. And if you'll...
Excuse me, but what's time?
Oh, he's inside getting ready.
Oh, great. I've got a whole new act for the 3D movie. Just wait here, I'll get out. Okay, get ready, girls. Scooter, I'd like to present the 3Ds.
Hi, I'm Dorothy. I'm Dinah.
I'm Max. Yes, Debbie was sick, so the union sent me.
Debbie was sick, so do you...
1, 2, 3, 5.
Firelight.
I'm the Silvery.
Not the sun, but the moon.
No, come on. No. Fozzie,
Okay,
get him out of here.
okay, come on, girls, I'm sorry. It's okay.
I'm sorry about this, folks.
Maybe another time.
Come on, Max. Come on, get out. Come on. Oh, brother. Now, folks, if you...
Hi, Scooter.
Bean, where are you going?
Oh, I'm going to help Miss Piggy with her musical number.
But Bean, you know nobody interrupts Miss Piggy while she's rehearsing? I warned you.
Oh, Scooter. Oh, nice outfit.
Scooter, there's a telephone call for you. It's urgent.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah. I got him. We don't have a telephone. And now, ladies and gentlemen, while you're a captive audience, a display of tremendous tap dancing talent with the added cultural component of a pot of flowers balanced on my head. Hit it, Rusty. Yeah! You dropped your pot. Oh! Pick it up. about me?
Gonzo? Gonzo?
Yes, Scooter.
We have no phone.
Well, I'll run right out and get one.
Where was I before I was interrupted? Yes, I was going to tell you about the 3D...
Hello, Scooter.
Bean, where are you going with that?
Oh, I thought Miss Piggy might need a prop for her number.
Bean, can't you see that Piggy doesn't want any help?
Oh, I'm sure she'll like this.
Look, I'm sorry about these interruptions. Well, all right, we're just about ready to start the movie, so if you listen carefully, you can hear the orchestra tuning up. And, hey, wait a second. Hey, you penguins can't go in there, you'll interrupt the orchestra.
Scooter, these penguins are the orchestra. Come on, Eugene, come on, Estelle, come on, let's go. Come on.
Well, all right. Before we go in, here's Sam Eagle with some important safety instructions.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I am Sam Eagle, and these are some important safety instructions for you.
Sam.
Not now, don't.
Sam, this is urgent. Come here.
What? What?
Yes.
Really? Here?
Right over there.
Well, of course, certainly. Ladies and gentlemen, we have an unexpected surprise. I have the great honor of introducing the one, the only, Mr. Mickey Mouse.
Hello, hi there. Welcome to my park. How you doing? Hello.
Whoa.
What?
You are not Mickey Mouse, you're a rat.
Rat smack. Besides, they're tourists. What do they know?
Will you get out of here?
Okay, but do I still get my $10?
Get out!
I've got a Donald Duck back here.
Will you get out?
Yes.
I apologize. Now, where was I? Yes, safety instructions. First, when entering the theater, please move as far to the end of the row as possible. Stopping in the middle is distinctly unpatriotic. Second, do not attempt to walk. While wearing your 3D glasses, you may trip, and frankly, you will... What are you doing?
I'm just showing how you can trip if you walk with your glasses on.
Will you stop this foolishness?
What foolishness would you like to see?
Will you get out of here?
Yes. Excuse me.
What now?
We're almost ready, Sam.
Oh, fine. Okay, thank you, Scooter. Now, the performers will all go in the theater first, and then you, the audience, will be admitted. All right, performers, let us enter in an orderly fashion and provide an example. Will somebody please take over?
Not to worry, Sam. We've got you covered. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Muppet Vision 3D.
Hey, Waldorf, what are we going to see in here anyway? It's one of those 3D movies. Put on your glasses, Nadler. Yeah. Hey, look! Look at the guy in the goofy mask. That's not a mask. Oh, sorry, lady. The orchestra of penguins. I'll take the job for the hell of it.
Sorry, boss. Hi-ho, Kermit the Frog here, and welcome to Muppet Vision 3D. Now, let me show you around our research center. See, here in this modern, high-tech facility... Hey! Careful!
high-tech facility, we have perfected Muppet Vision 3D, a new film process which we're about to demonstrate to you. Now, working the projector is an old friend of ours, the Swedish chef. Chef, everything okay?
Der machinen is going to flumy.
Exactly. And our demonstration includes a little song from Miss Piggy.
Little?
Did I say little? I meant to say it's a huge, show-stopping major song from Miss Piggy.
That's more like it.
Good. And we've also got a big musical finale from Sam Eagle. Sam, what's it about?
It's called A Salute to All Nations, but mostly America.
Great. So it's going to be a swell demonstration, and at no time will we be stooping to any cheap 3D tricks.
Did you say cheap 3D tricks? And here's something I wanted to spring on you.
It's that dumb bear again.
Hey, Bear, you're not even funny in 3D. Oh, not you guys. How did you get here?
We entered a contest. Yeah, we lost.
Oh, yeah? Well, my new 3DX gonna shower you all with humor. Waka waka!
He's trying to drown us. What kind of act is that?
An act of mercy.
Listen, better luck next time, Fozzie. Okay? And now, if you'll come this way, I can show you our secret laboratory. You see, we invited distinguished scientists from all over the world to come and work here. Unfortunately, none of them showed up. So instead, I'd like to introduce you to the guys who invented Muppet Vision, and they can show you some of their... Right now, I'd like to turn you over to Dr. Bunsen Honeydew and his assistant, Beaker.
Well, thank you, Mr. Kermit. Today, let's look at the advancements we've been working on for Muppet Vision. Beaker, would you turn on the machine? The wheels of progress turn swiftly here as we strike upon ways to bring science safely to you. This user-friendly machine will now generate the first living 3D effect just by flicking a simple switch.
I'm Waldo, the spirit of 3D.
Thank you.
Cute outfit. What's this? Don't you just hate it when your nose runs? You know, all these other people think I'm talking to them, but I'm really just talking to you.
Well, I think that'll be just loud enough of Waldo, Beaker. You may deactivate.
What? What are you...
Oh, dear, he won't deactivate. Ladies and gentlemen, there's nothing to worry about, but please keep your heads down.
I'm bouncing on people's heads.
Beaker, activate the inflatomatic.
The what? You...
Beaker, hurry.
Great. Now I can start my own football team.
Beaker, we have to try the vacuum Muppet. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, we're all safely pleased that harmless family.
Hey, I'm free! Taxi! All right, now I'm getting out of this place.
This way, folks. I'm sorry, but Muppet Lab seems to have been temporarily sucked up. But, what is that?
Hey, come in. See, it's my new remote control banana cream pie.
Yeah.
Hey, come in. Watch this.
What? Ozzy, that's terrible.
You're right. Needs more sugar.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the first musical portion of our demonstration, we have Miss Piggy in a wonderful 3D number. That's you, penguins.
Doesn't it look beautiful? Yeah, too bad they're gonna spoil it with a pig.
La 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 la. Oh, sun shining bright above you. Soft breezes seem to whisper, I love you. Birds singing in the sycamore tree. Dreamy little tree of me. Look in my eyes and kiss me. Just hold me tight and tell me you miss me. While I'm alone in blue West Indies. No troubles as life bubbles on, dear. Still craving a kiss. Oh, I get it.
Wow, but it was going so well. Well, I was just doing 3D. Guess I won't be needing this.
What's that?
It was for the big water skiing finale.
Anybody, what are you doing?
What do you mean?
You are ruining this film.
Well, I was
Get
just
out.
trying to
Get
help.
out.
I didn't mean anything.
Go away. Go away.
Does anybody know the way out of this film? Hey, you got a map down there?
Well, you can come with me if you like. I just got fired and I'm running away.
Terrific! Let's go.
Okay.
Hey, Bean, what's up?
I'm going away. Forever.
Oh, great. Could you get me a sandwich? Would any of you people like anything? I mean, since he's going out, he could forever? Bean? Bean? Oh, Kermit! Kermit!
Hey, sweeter, that's a great effect.
Hey, Fozzie, Kermit! What is it? Bean Bunny ran away!
Oh, no. Yes. Hard riddance. We gotta find him.
I know!
All right, everybody spread out and look for Bean.
Right.
I'll go this way.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll continue the show in just a moment, but in the meantime, if you see a rabbit, holler.
Bean.
Bean? Oh, Bean?
Buddy! Buddy!
Bean!
Where are you?
Bean? Bean? Bean?
Where are you, Bean? Buddy! Hey, what's all the commotion about? Buddy ran away. Well, you know what that makes him? Smarter than us. Hey, anybody seen a buddy? I don't see a buddy. Where? Where? Oh, nothing up there but a bunny. A bunny? Bean!
Hi, sweetie.
Hey, Kermit, look!
What? Bean, what are you doing out there?
I'm running away. Nobody would let me help in the movie.
This is a very moving moment.
Yeah, I wish they'd move it to Pittsburgh.
Hey, Bean! What are we doing sticking around here? Let's burn rubber!
Who's that? He's Waldo, my 3D friend, and we're both leaving the movie.
Right.
But Bean, if you leave, you'll miss all the fireworks.
Right, yeah.
Fireworks? Oh,
Okay, I'll stay, but I want to help.
Gee, is there anything Bean can do in the final number?
Oh, gosh, maybe Bean could set off the fireworks.
That sounds great.
yeah, and I'll stay and help. I love fireworks.
Well, okay. Sam, are you about ready?
Yes, it's a glorious 3-hour finale.
You got a minute and a half. Okay, everybody, get ready. Ladies and gentlemen, the Muppets proudly present the final demonstration of Muppet Vision 3D.
Where am I?
assure you that no one was hurt, and this theater suffered only minor damage. So thank you very much for coming to see this demonstration of Muppet Vision technology, and enjoy the rest of your stay, and come see us again sometime.
They'll never recognize me now. Forward!
What a cute ending.
Well, what do you think? We have time to go to the bathroom before the next show? We can't, you old fool. We're bolted to the seats.
Finding quiet moments of joy in the chaotic world around us is kind of our thing, and I hope it becomes your thing too. I invite you to connect with us on Facebook and Instagram. You can also access hundreds of videos on our YouTube channel, including many formatted for virtual reality devices. Links are provided in the show notes. Thanks for being here.